One day, Little Red Riding Hood left home to visit her sick grandmother. The place where his grandmother lived was in a remote village in the forest. While he was on the road, he encountered a wolf. The girl had a short chat with the wolf and said that she was in a hurry because she was going to her grandmother. But by cunning, the wolf had reached his grandmother's house before and devoured her. The wolf took his grandmother's place and went to bed and waited for Little Red Riding Hood to arrive. When Little Red Riding Hood came to her grandmother's house, she was suspicious of her grandmother's behavior in a way that she had never seen before. "Why do you have such big eyes?" she asked. "To see you better," the wolf said. Then Little Red Riding Hood asked about her grandmother's other characteristics, and each time the wolf said, "To hear you better," or "To better catch you." She gave answers like, finally, Little Red Riding Hood realized that the wolf had swallowed her grandmother. She asked for help from a few hunters who were in the forest at tea.